It is that time again. It's that time to release some of the most exciting videos that I get to produce on my channel. That's right, it's the BRoll Smackdown preliminary round. There are 20 competitors in this month's entries. Wow, 20 amazing content creators are competing for the unbelievable prizes that we are offering this month. That's right, a Dooney and Burke dot bag in Pebble submitted by Pauline Newman. An amazing print submitted by Clint Moore. I'll get you a photo of that so you can see what it's going to look like. It's unbelievable, perfect for framing. You are going to love it. And then Pusa Studios has also offered up for each contestant who wins a semifinal round a channel review, and then for the absolute winner you will get a full interview on Pusa Studios channel. That's unbelievable exposure. So good luck to all the amazing competitors. Let's get right to it. Alright, that was some amazing B-roll. I'm sure you will agree. Now it's your turn to do the voting. So the rules for this month were, for the prelim round, 30 seconds of B-roll. Some of these clips may be over or under. I don't really check them. It's up for you to decide whether something is longer than it should be. Also, the theme for this month was On the Trail, and some of them followed that theme much better than others. Again, it's up to the voter to decide what is strictly the rules for the competition. If you don't feel like somebody's B-roll followed the rules, don't vote for it. It's that simple. The procedure for voting, however, is very simple. Up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to find a circle with a little eye. Click the eye, drop it down, select the content creator you feel did the best job in this bracket, And that's it. If the circle with the eye doesn't come up for you, you can tap the screen if you're on a mobile phone, or you can click the video if you're on your computer. It should bring up the little eye in the top right hand corner. Now there are 4 brackets in the preliminary round, so make sure you go through each bracket and vote for your favorite. There's going to be 5 B-rolls in each one. There are 20 competitors this time around. Good luck to all the competitors. Do me a big favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.